Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, August 29th, and they are good up until Saturday, September 4th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. Also, you guys, I have two announcements. So the first thing that I want to say is thank you all so much for 6,000 subscribers. I just reached 6,000. Thank you all so much. I really do appreciate all of you who interact with my videos, comment, like my videos. I really do appreciate it. So thank you all so much. This is a random giveaway. There will be one winner. I will be giving away $25 via Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal, whatever you use. So if you would like to enter into the giveaway, a few things you have to do is number one, you must already be subscribed to my channel with the notification bell on. Number two, like this video. Number three, follow me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, that's okay. Just let me know that down in the comment section and let me know that you will still like to participate into the giveaway. And then number four, leave me a comment down in the comment section. So those are the only four things that you have to do. I will also have these directions in the description box. My second thing is, you guys, I do have a coupon stockpile pricing guide available, and right now you can get it for 50% off. My regular price is $9.99. Right now, up until Monday, September 6th, you can get it for $4.99. So if you are looking for things to put into your bundle, if you are trying to find out where to sell your bundle, how to sell your bundle, how to price your items, if you need tips, this coupon stockpile pricing guide is for you. The only thing that you have to do is click the link in the description box below and type in the code "thank you," and you will be able to get it for just $4.99. And then also with the giveaway is going to end on Monday, September 6th as well. So my coupon stockpile pricing guide sale is ending on Monday, September 6th at 11:59 p.m. PST. And then the giveaway is ending on. So now let's go ahead and get into the deals. Okay, you guys, so everything that you see right here ended up being completely free, plus a 27-cent moneymaker. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Poise Pads. So this is the Poise Ultra Thin Pads. This is the 12 count. And so these are priced at Walgreens for $5.99. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.99 minus that $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $2.99. We also have a $2 IVC coupon on the Walgreens app. And with using that coupon, it's going to bring the total down to just 99 cents for this box of pads. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest 3D White Charcoal Toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash. So as you guys can see, I did purchase 3 at $4. So that brought my total to $12. We have 2 digital coupons on the Walgreens app. We have a $2 off of 1 toothpaste, and then we also have a 3 off of 2 toothpaste. So that's a total of $5 in digital coupons. So $12 minus the $5 in digital coupons, that brought the total down to just $7. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash. I did receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash, bringing the total down to just $2 for all 3, or it makes each one just 66 cents. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Febreze Fabric April Fresh, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. I purchased 2, so $2.99 times 2 is $5.98. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.98 minus that $3 digital coupon brought my total down to just $2.98 for both, or it makes each one just $1.49. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Banana Boat Moisturizing After Sun Lotion. And these are buy one, get one 50% off. And they are priced online at $2.99. So one will rank up at $2.99. The second one rank up at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, but since my total came out to be $4.48, the coupon adjusted down to $4.48, making both of these completely free. So this is a really good deal to do this week, you guys. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed this Airwick scented oil warmer, and this is priced online at $2.49. To get some extra savings for this, I did type in the code try again, and that took off an additional 11 cents. So $2.49 minus the 11 cents, it brought my total down to just $2.38. And then we do have a $1.75 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.38 minus the $1.75 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just 63 cents. And then I grabbed this Icy Hot Advanced Pain Relief Cream, and this is priced online at $5.49. We do have a $3 IVC coupon on the Walgreens app. So $5.49 minus the $3 IVC coupon, that brought the total down to just $2.49. And then we also have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing the total down to just 49 cents for this, which is a really good price. And then I have this Bausch and Lomb, I don't know if I pronounced that right, Eye Relief Eye Wash. And this is priced online at $4.49. We do have a $3 IVC coupon, bringing the total down to just $1.49. And then we also have a $3 digital coupon, making this completely free, plus a $1.51 moneymaker. And then with the Colgate this week at Walgreens are priced at $3.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase two at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $5 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $2.98. And because you purchased two, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making both of these completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And lastly, online I purchased 2 packages of the Dentec, but they had to adjust it down to 1 because they only had 1 in stock. But if your store has 2, what you would do is you would purchase two of them at 2 for $5. They are also buy one get one free. So you will pay $2.50, and then we have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just 50 cents for both, or it makes each one just 25 cents. But in my case, since they had to adjust mine down, mine came out to $2.50 minus the $1.25 coupon. It didn't take off the whole $2.50. It only took off $1.25. So this ended up being $1.25 instead of $25, since they had to adjust it down to just 1 pack. And so that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So everything did ring up like it was supposed to. You know, sometimes when you order online, the prices adjust down to whatever they want to. So those are the prices for everything that I got. The Banana Boat $4.48 digital came off. My $1.75 for the Airwick, $3 digital for the Febreze, $1.25 digital for the Dentec, $2 digital for the Icy Hot, $3 digital for the Eye Wash, $3 digital for the Poise, $5 digital for the Crest, and $5 digital for the Colgate. So it brought my subtotal to $15. And then when you look down here, it says estimated I was going to get back $28.69, but that is actually incorrect. So I got back my $5 in Walgreens cash for the Crest, my $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, and then the rest of the Walgreens cash came from the extra Walgreens points that you get. And then this is also an account that has a birthday in August, so I got the rest of my savings from there, totaling me $15.27. So again, I paid $15 and I got back $15.27. So that made this transaction completely free, plus a 27-cent moneymaker. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you would like to participate into my giveaway, number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel with the notification bell on. Number 2, give this video a thumbs up. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. I do have a link in the description box below that you can click on, and it will take you directly to my Instagram account. And then if you do not have Instagram, it's okay. Just let me know down in the comment section and let me know that you would still like to participate. And then number 4, make sure that you leave me a comment down in the comment section, and that is it. Also, if you would like to purchase my Stockpile pricing guide, I do have a link. The only thing you have to do is use code THANKYOU and you will get it for 50% off. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.